Hello YouTube, MasterCraftTutorials, and I'm going to show you how to make a bukkit server. So first thing you'll need to do is make a folder. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Minecraft, mine server, or whatever. You can name it whatever you want, so there it is. And what I'm going to do is, first what you need to do is open up like an Explorer or something, Internet Explorer. I'm going to open that first. You're just going to go to bukkit.org, and it should load up to the site. And you can either press get dev or get craft bukkit, or you can just press this right here, recommended build. You click that, and then you click download, and it'll say you want to save it, and it'll save to your downloads. Well, it should. And once you do that, open up. Go to your downloads. Mine should be in my downloads. I don't know where else it would go. So, favorites. Where's my downloads? Hold on, guys. Okay, what the fuck is it? One second, guys. Just gotta find my downloads folder. I don't really use it because I don't really use Internet Explorer. I usually use Google Chrome, but I didn't feel like it. So go into downloads, and it should be in here. And it should say something like craft bukkit right here. So what you want to do is that folder you made. You want to take it, open it, put it over here, and then you're going to do take and drag it over. So hold on. Alright, so now what you want to do, after you drag this in here, you want to make a text document. Make sure there's going to be a couple codes in the description. Make sure you find the one that's yours, and also make sure you had Java 7. And now what you want to do is make new text document. Just name it whatever, and then you just want to paste the code I give you. If it does not, there should be 2 in there, and if it doesn't work, please message me. So this is what make sure, let's say you rename this, you get one that says craft bukkit and there's no numbers after this. All you have to do is delete this from the code. Do not delete jar. Let's say you need to update your server. All you have to do is drag the new one in here, and then go to this text document or the run thing that we're going to make, and just edit it so it says what the name of that is. So now what you want to do is press save as, all files, and then save it. You can save it start.bat, run.bat. I'm going to do start, you can name it like server.bat or something. You just have save, and it should give you a run or something like that, and you can X out this. And when you click on it, enable R.0, oh, that's why. This is wrong. So you just go to edit, and this should be a 4. So press save, and then you just press X, and you just run again, and it should load up, say like 182, blah blah blah. And I have no idea because I got this code, and this is your server. So some people are like, oh, how do I get on my server after I load it? Here, I'm going to show you right now. So once this loads up and gives you all the folders, you can just wait till it loads fully. It's going to load up like twice. So you press stop, type in stop, and that's how you stop your server every time. It was like console stopping, server saving chunks, and then press any key to continue. Click that, and now this is my server that I use right now. See the run thing? It says 0.5, and I guess this is 0.5. I must have a new version, I don't know, but whatever. So oops. I just want to make sure it still runs. Okay, it does. So, alright, so next what you want to do is open up your Internet Explorer again. If you have, go to your router IP, and to get your IP, you type in CMD and press enter, and it will bring this up, like just like the command prompt. And wait, it's a command prompt. So what you want to do is press IP config, type in that in, and then you want to go to your IP address. Where is it? Default gateway, and you want to type that into your browser. So I'm going to do it right quick. Ready? 192.168.2.1. This will not be your IP. It depends on what router setup you have. Like what mine's Brooklyn, so it says Brooklyn in the corner. If you do not know how to port forward, what you want to do is look it up on the internet, and it'll show you how to port forward. But for Brooklyn users, sign in. If you haven't changed your password, it's usually default. Just press submit. And then you want to go under firewall and click virtual servers, and then you want to make a server for your port. So default port is 255.65. Name it MC server. Type TCP, and then to get this IP, private IP address, this will be under the same thing. And it's going to be called IPv4 address. It's right here. Notice how I have it. So once you type that in, and type in 255.65 again, and just press apply changes. After you do that, you want to go to what is my IP.org, and it'll bring you to the site, and it will tell you your IP for your server. That's how your friends are. So I just copying that and giving it to your friends or posting it on the site. But yeah, so yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make it a cracked server. So what you're going to do, it's going to give you this thing called server properties. You can open it up in WordPad or Notepad if you don't have Notepad++. To make it a cracked server, you change online mode to false. I usually have monsters false, and I usually have flight on, and a bunch of other stuff. And you can change the description of your server and all this. You can change animals on or off, and that's about it. Don't keep this on false unless you want people to only join if they're on this list, and the list is right here. So you'd add them to this list if you wanted to. You can't really type right there, but so that's how you make it a cracked server. Remember, false. Press save, and then use X, and then your server, you want to run. You want to run this, and then it will say done. Mine takes a little bit longer on my other server because I have a lot more plugins than you do. So you have no plugins right now, so you just open up your Minecraft or your cracked Minecraft, doesn't matter. You can use to log into your server your IP address that you got from config the v4. You can use that sign in, but the other people have to use the IP from that site. So click on it, and it'll say world loaded, and this is the world. You start building. You might want to add privileges because you can't break anything until you do. And that's my next video I'm going to show you. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.